All right, this is the Stream Deck that controls the titles and the lights. Every now and again, the lights will not work because it loses connection with the Philips hubs. And so to fix that, you'll need to go over to this computer here. Up in the top right is the Stream Deck button. Go to Configure Stream Deck. Here are your two buttons that need programmed. Lights on has title and it has 7 actions you can see here. Click on that arrow. Here's all 7 actions. If you click on one, you'll see it says no bridges, no groups, no scenes. And so that needs to be fixed. So you click on the bridge, you click Add New, and then click Discover Bridges. And the bridges are down underneath the table. You can see the blue lights. And this has found 3 of them. You click Pair, and it will give you a checkbox there. So down below, we're pushing the buttons on that. So you just click Done, and all of these bridges, we're gonna click Add New, Discover Bridges, click Pair, and these are all, click Add New, Discover Bridges again, click Pair, and then Done. You can close that out. Now, theoretically speaking, if you push that, it will control the lights in the room, which it did. It's hard to see in the video.